Hi, my name is Mike. This is my HHO for my 300E Mercedes. You can see there's my reservoir. The black spot is a rubber resin because it was leaking. All my electronics are here. I have failed to put in the amp meter due to some unforeseeable circumstances. My fuel cell is right there. You can see it's doing a lot of bubbling. The hose is bubbling also. Goes to my reservoir tank. A lot of bubbles. In the reservoir, it goes to this bubbler right here. The bubbler goes to the intake or the air filter, which has the intake on it. So that's it. I hope it works well. There's some condensation right here, which is my current problem. Condensation from the bubbler, but it hasn't reached the intake yet. It's right over here. See? Meaning that I'm producing very hot liquid, which means I'm probably running in, but I haven't measured the amps yet, so it has a very high amperage because it has boiling water, which is bad. You can see it by the backflow arrestor right there. Bubbles. But as far as production, I'm not sure if I'm producing hydrogen or hydrogen with steam. This is my first installation, so I'm probably gonna do some more research and some work. Okay, that is on a Mercedes 300E, 91 Mercedes 300E. Thank you, and I hope to get this working. We just need a few tweaks. I already tweaked the bubbler. I had to buy some piping and all that, and I think I need to tweak the amps because it's clearly doing some hot water. You can see right here. That's hot water right there. And that is bad. It does get to my engine. But fortunately, I have an air filter, and it goes to the air filter first before it goes to the intake, to the carburetor. So I think I'm safe. But for now, I think I need to reconfigure this whole setup because there's a problem. The electronics behind it. That's a relay right there, and that's the fuse circuit breaker. That's it. HHO on a 300E Mercedes.